Hi Mashable India, welcome to my home. So this is my living room and I'll start here. This is a photograph of me with my bestest friend from school, and this is my little brother. He's 6 years younger to me, but this is when he was a baby. When people walk into my house, the first thing they actually point at those lights. They usually say, wow, these lights are so cool. They're very Bali inspired. And a lot of people make fun of them also. They say, ye kya budhiya ke baal tange hue. So I get mixed reactions for it. These are photographs taken by me during my travels. This is the Antelope Canyon in the US. And that is from Yellowstone, the one in the middle. And the third one is taken in Barcelona. Yeah, I just converted these photographs to black and white and got them framed, and I really love how they go with the entire living room. And this table is something that is, Nordic inspired, like with these minimal vases here, nothing inside, just a asymmetric table. The living room is a bit of like Nordic meets Bohemian vibe. So the space is a closet that I've built. And here I hang everything that gets a lot of creases. I have my drawers for my tops, my pants. This couch is somewhere where I get comfortable trying on my clothes, and especially when I'm very confused about what to wear. This is where I come and really think of all my options. So yeah, I'll call it my thinking couch. If I had to hold a traitor style gossip session on this couch, I would have Sahil with me, because Sahil is so sad. He was the first guy to be murdered. He will have a lot to say, and it's really amusing to me and really sad also. But bada maza aayega. Over here, there's my dad. A little shelf with a vase. This is a very old photo, but I have my family's, my dad, my brother, and my mother's photos all over the house. And this is where the magic happens. This is my study and work desk, where I crush poker tournaments, and I also work with, my poker company that I'm working with currently. And this is where the money's made. I love to look out at the scenery at the back if you want to join me. Over here, it's so peaceful and beautiful. Touch wood, I got so lucky to find such a lovely, peaceful place where, you can, all your stress just melts away. And then over here is this beautiful artwork that I found in one of my travels to Vietnam. And it's a very famous Vietnamese artist, Southeast Asian artist. Actually, I'm forgetting the name, yaar. Vietnamese names are very complicated, guys. But this artwork, when I looked at it, it reminded me a little bit about the, the crazy side of me, like the colorful, crazy side of me. It's actually a Vietnamese tribal lady with psychedelic hair. But I saw a bit of my, youthfulness, the child inside me, the playful person inside me, and I really love this frame a lot. This is a little bed over here to kind of just, take a nap when I'm done with work, when I've crossed off a few things from my to-do list. It's always good to just come and, relax for a bit. This whole house is designed to make me feel calm. Honestly, my mind is a very anxious place. I have a tendency to overthink. So it's very important for me to just, feel calm and set it up like that. I really love this piece. It's something we set up with a lot of difficulty, because the roof on top, it slopes, and it's very hard because the staircase is here. It's very hard to reach that point. So we had to do all sorts of construction work to get up there to hang this piece, which also was designed in a way that when you look at it from the bottom, it's like a perfect spiral. So this is the master bedroom where I sleep like a log. Over here, I have another beautiful balcony looking out at the same forest that you guys saw before. I have a little couch to, sit and relax, but usually it becomes a dumping ground for all my purses or clothes that I worn that day. I have a planter here. इसमें plants actually change होते रहते हैं depending on the season. Right now, this is the one I've put here. If you can see these frames here, these are from Mexico, and actually they are Native American, South American art made of tree roots. On both sides, I've got those lamps installed, which I find that quite lovely and aesthetic. This bed is super comfortable. I wish it was a king bed. Honestly, I'm a king bed kind of person, but this room didn't allow that kind of size. It would become too cramped. But it's very comfortable mattress. It's like a cooling technology mattress which you need in Goa. So it keeps your body the temperature at 19 degrees specifically. If I had to hide a secret scroll from the Traitors game, it would probably go at the bottom of the planter. Okay, so over here is one of my favorite spots in the house. It's sort of a terrace. It opens up, all the doors open, the whole room becomes one with the entire terrace, and you can just look out and enjoy the sunset. The sunset happens right there. It's magical. I just lie in my bed and I watch the sunset. And here we have wind chimes that catch the wind sometimes, and again a little touch to kind of make this a calming space. The best memory I had here was when I spotted hornbills. Oh my god, my mind was blown. Hornbills are so beautiful. They have these beautiful big beaks, and I was like, कहाँ गए यार? ये इंडिया है, ये इतनी ज़्यादा nature के बीच में. How have I found this life? Like honestly, very, very grateful. Actually, you know what? Goa is a conservation, like a bird conservation area. So यहाँ पे people come and complain about how there's no mobile network. Actually, they've not installed mobile towers on purpose to conserve wildlife and nature, and because it's a bird conservation area. So it's actually for a good cause. So how I bring good energy into the house is that I've ventilated a lot. This house is very well designed in the sense that there are a lot of these doors and windows. So every day my house is aired out, sunlight comes in, it's ventilated, and I really believe that changes the energy of the house and makes it. Yeah, that summarizes my house, guys. And thank you, Mashable India, for coming here. It's been a pleasure to show you around. I hope you enjoyed as well.